2, 3. Dude, this is bad.
Why would you make me do this? No!
All right, Kat, if I make this shot, then you have to be my girlfriend.
Okay.
So these are the names on our refrigerator for this week, guys. And if you want your name on our fridge for an entire week, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and then comment down done when you're done. Alex hates it when I use this restroom because I'll sometimes clog the toilet by accident. And right now I'm actually in his restroom and I'm gonna make him think there's water coming out of his bathroom. Alex! Alex, quick, there's water coming out of your restroom. Alex! 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 Dude, I was in the middle of auto-tuning a picture. Auto-tuning? Dude, I already saw this on TikTok. I already saw it.
What are you? Where's the water? Where's the water? Where's it?
Tanner, what is that? Plunger? Wait, whoa, guys, listen. If you prank your friends with this and they don't run in with a plunger trying to help you clean up, they're not your real friends. Oh! Whoa! Wait, John! Why you got a fork? How's a fork gonna help clean it up? Why'd your face so red? He's so excited. So the dare for this week is get rid of your annoying brother. That's a really good dare, but the problem is I don't have enough money to hire a hitman, so this is gonna be my first day on the job. Alright, well, now that I did one of your dares, I dare you guys to like this video. He has no idea what's going on. You suck. He sucks at being a hitman. That was bad. Hey, so we'll just meet you there? Yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright, drive safe. Whoa, what is that? Whoa. What kind of driving is that? Hey, what was that? See that? Did you ever send me the address? I did, yeah. I don't think you did. I did. Oh, yeah, I'll just meet you guys there then. Alright, drive safe. Kat literally did that last week. That was literally Kat. Guys, so I just realized that this is our first car scene in Alex's brand new Tesla. Yeah. Guys, you know what's really funny? He bought me this Tesla, but he drives it way more than I do. Because you don't know how to drive, and he makes me do all the driving.
You guys know what else is funny?
What?
Why don't they play poker in the jungle?
Why, Tanner?
Because there's too many cheetahs. That's pretty good, right? There's too many. You get it like cheaters? I thought it was pretty funny. Come on.
Get out of my car.
What? Really?
Get out.
But it's raining outside. Come on.
Get out.
It's raining.
Get out. Yeah. That was actually kind of funny though. So I have the world's spiciest chip right here, and this is kind of like a continuation of the dare that you guys gave me earlier. I didn't quite get rid of him, so I bought 2 of these things, and I'm gonna get Alex to eat one of these with me. I know I'm gonna be okay, because I'm a little tougher, but Alex, on the other hand, I don't know how he's gonna handle it, so this is still part of the dare. All right, guys, so we have the world's spiciest chip right here, and right now we're both gonna be attempting the 1 chip challenge. I feel like we've seen this a lot on YouTube. We have. I feel like everybody's exaggerating. It's not actually that spicy, but we know a lot of people like to exaggerate, fake stuff, just for like a better reaction. But you guys know us, we do everything. We don't exaggerate at all. We do genuine reactions here, so whatever reaction you get from us, it's gonna be the real deal, guys, okay? And I like to believe that we're a little tougher than other people out there. We're built different, and our bodies are gonna be able to handle the spicy a lot better, because, you know, I don't know if you guys know this, but when I go to McDonald's, I get the spicy McNuggets, and I know he gets the spicy Chick-fil-A sandwich instead of the regular one, so I eat Takis every now and then, the spicy ones, and the extra hot Cheetos. Yeah, so, like, obviously, you know, we don't like a good tolerance over the years of this, so it shouldn't be too tough for us to do, right? But right now we have all of these things that kind of help manage the spice after we eat the chip, which I highly doubt that we're gonna even need. Hey, it says you can't eat if you're pregnant. I don't know if that's weight that you're gaining or if that's a pregnant belly. Right now we're gonna debunk this myth. It's not spicy. We're gonna show you guys how well we can handle this. So without further ado, let's open the package. Okay. Oh, wait. Hey, it's kind of shaped like a coffin, huh? So the rules for the challenge is step 1, eat the entire chip. And the final step is wait as long as possible before drinking or eating anything. All right, let's open it. Woo. Whoa. Yours is ripped? Wait, well, mine's kind of ripped. Should I just pour it in my hand? Okay, this is kind of...
Oh, it's in pieces.
Okay, well... Oh my gosh, that's spicy. Wait a second. Oh, why is it ripped? No. There we go. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this kind of smells spicy. You know how sometimes you can just tell when something's gonna be hot? Okay, I'm having second thoughts. Dude, we got a basketball game tomorrow against the Dobre twins for another $10,000, so I don't think we should. All right, you know what, guys? If you like this video right now and get this video to 200,000 likes, then we will actually eat the chip. They already liked that, Alan. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm a man of my word, so we gotta eat up. Okay? Dude, I'm scared. All right. Woo! Okay. All right, Alan, you go first. No, Alex, we're gonna eat this together, okay? Count us down, Tanner. Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not doing it. You know what I'm saying about
Please.
Oh my God.
Tiny bit, just
Put it in your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Now! Hey, right now. Go. 1, 2, 3. Now. Hey, let's put it. My hands won't let. Dude, we've been sitting here for 30 minutes now. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Are you okay?
Okay, it's all down. It's all down. Okay. Okay, I gotta do it. Hey, it ain't that bad. I just haven't had anything to drink all day. Oh, dude. Oh.
Oh!
What are you doing, Alan?
Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, this is bad. Dude, this is bad. Oh, dude. Dude, I can't breathe. I actually can't breathe.
Oh no.
Oh my God.
How would you compare it to like a spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A? No.
Stop asking me questions. Stop. Hey, give me some toilet paper right now. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude. Holy shit. Hey, I'm using the restroom. I'm using the restroom. Why would you make me do it? I did it. I did it. Hey, I have to use the restroom. Okay?
Why are you walking like that?
I need to throw up. Oh no.
Hey, I wouldn't go in here if I were you. Get out. What is that smell? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm cramping up. I'm cramping up.
Well, Alan, what are you doing?
Hey.
Oh, dude, don't do it. Hey, no. Alan, come on, dude. No, dude. What are they saying?
I don't know.
Stop. No! How would that help? Alex, are you okay?
No, I'm not. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? We have a basketball game tomorrow, Alan. Why would you do this video with me? Why?
One of the dares was to take you out.
Hey, I really can't. Hey, seriously, I really can't. Stop hitting me! Not touching that. Use your elbows. Why do you slap, huh?
Stop. Hey, guys, come on.
I need to take a bath right now. Hey, my entire body's actually sweating right now.
Alex, come on. Why didn't you do that, dude? Both of us.
It's been a while,
It's been
Tanner.
30 minutes. Let's go check on him.
Alex, are you okay?
No, I'm not.
Alex.
Oh, my stomach, I'm cramping up. Dude, hey, my stomach's never felt so bloated before.
Hey.
I just gotta like, I feel like I just gotta like poop out like 300 pounds, you know? Hey, right now I feel like I'm Alex's weight. Honestly, guys, you know, we got a basketball game tomorrow. You know what, I think 200,000 likes was too little to ask, so we're gonna ask for 300,000 instead.